So there are two keywords, null and undefined. Okay, what do you think? What does this mean? Null in layman English language.
Null means like it doesn't have value.
It doesn't have value. Null means okay. So if you are
Uh,
saying that null means doesn't have, yeah, undefined, what do you think?
and like undefined means like we have variable, okay, but the
Mm-hmm.
variable has not been assigned.
Okay, so in this case, what do you think? It should be null or undefined?
What var x?
Yeah,
Var
if
x
I print the value of x here on console,
undefined. Undefined.
undefined. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
That is correct. So why this is necessary to understand the difference between null and undefined? Because whenever we will be taking care of the validations, na, if you remember that in Apex, whenever in trigger we want to insert a list,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
or in
Yeah.
Apex, so we always check if that list is empty or not. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
We have to
for
check.
those type of conditions, we need to understand the difference between null and undefined. Okay. So like you mentioned, if I print the value of x, it will come as undefined. Now what about null? What do you think? When will it be null? How can we make x as null?
Null. We have to pass the empty value. Like
Like space, something like this.
yeah, a blank value, empty value.
Okay. So in case I pass this, see what is happening. It is considering it as a string then. Okay. So to pass the null value, we have to specifically use the keyword. There is a predefined keyword in JavaScript, okay, which is null. Okay. So this is the difference between null and undefined. Okay.
Okay.
Conclusion will be null value we have to specify and undefined value is there when we don't assign any value to the variable. Okay. Clear? Okay. Okay. Second thing which is very important is difference between. So, what type of is equal to have you seen in Apex?
Equal to like the for assigning and for this for declaration that you're asking.
Correct. So this is equal to and this is equal to we have worked in Apex. Correct.
Exactly.
So what is the difference between these two?
First, which two, sir? Sir, this equal to means like we are assign like it's assignment operator,
Correct.
and yeah, and the second is like we used to compare like
We used to compare in Apex. Correct.
yeah,
So
yeah,
this one was for assignment purpose and this one was for comparing purpose.
yeah,
So assignment purpose we already know. We already have seen where x is equal to 3, it is assigning the value. Okay. So let's see the double is equal to role here in JavaScript. Let's say x is equal to 2. Okay. And let's say where y is equal to 2. Okay. So what is the first of all, what is the data type of these two? X is an integer, y is a string. Correct.
yeah.
So are these two equal?
Are these two are equal? No.
No. Why? Because this is integer and this is a string. So
Yeah.
if I will do console dot log
Mhm.
x is equal to y, what should come? False.
Mhm. Yeah, false.
It is coming as true here. Okay. Now why? Any reason you can think of why this is happening?
And we have declared like x is equals to 2, y x is that is of integer type, and y is also
Mhm.
string type. Okay. and now
Mm,
console log is equals to x equal, because then we are comparison, then its interval is
mm,
just to is true.
mm.
So it is taking as a uh,
Okay, so let's understand what is happening here. So what in Java, see, JavaScript is we cannot compare it at all with Apex. It has some different logics. Apex has some different logics. Okay, so we have to keep in that thing in mind. I mean, in the initial days, it is bit difficult because we have already spent so much time with Apex that now you say that okay, you are gonna change my concepts. Okay, so but
exactly.
gradually you will digest these things. Okay, so what is there in JavaScript? We have one more thing called triple equal to. Okay. So now what is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to? Okay. What double equal to do is it only checks the value.
Okay. And triple equals to check the data type also, right?
Correct, correct. And not data type. Okay. Whereas triple equal to it checks both value and data type.
Yes.
Okay. So in case I will be using triple equal to na, it will give me false because the data type of both of them is not same.
Just a second, I write it. It's important.
Hmm.
Let me say, just a second, sir. I have to write this.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Though I will be providing you these notes also. Don't worry.
Okay. Because that I
So
present like double equal to and triple equal to.
yeah, so true, and this thing is result me false. Okay. So double equal to only checks the value, whereas triple equal to checks the value as well as the data type. Okay. So this is the difference. Let me know when you have written this down.
Yeah. Then
Okay. So I will copy paste in the note.